If you are one of the people returning a holiday gift, you certainly have company. The National Retail Federation is predicting that the return rate for the 2024 holidays will be 17% higher than the annual return rate.
What's that all about? NBC 7's Shondell Moniz joins us now from Kearney Mesa with how to make the smartest return. All right, we're listening.
We're about to get into it, Mark. So first off, all of the shopping malls and centers that we visited today have been jam-packed with shoppers and returners. But a quick reminder, you do not have to brave these crowds to make your returns today. Many major retailers give you at least through the end of this month to bring those items back.
Let's say you got something you didn't really like this holiday.
I'll usually just leave it in my closet or something, and then it just never comes out again.
If you know me well, you know my towel. My towel would be, and I'd be like, oh, I love this.
You could play it off like Meghna or Dakota and keep the item, tell the person you're not feeling it, or re-gift it. But be careful with that one.
Just wrap it up and give it to somebody 3 times removed, maybe. White elephant.
Now, let's say you decide to return it.
What if I lose my receipt?
Well, you might not have a receipt to begin with. If you're gifted something and there's no gift receipt and you just receive a box and a product, maybe it's pretty awkward to ask the person giving it to where it's from. Kind of suggests you want to give it back. But if you can figure that out, how then do you return it to that merchant?
Consumer law professor Danny Karon says to make it as easy for the company to accept your return as possible.
Getting or keeping the receipt. Don't open it. If you open it, don't wear it. Do things that you think, as a matter of common sense, are going to make it easier for the merchant to take back the product.
Returning online may be easier, but the trade-off there could be having to pay your own return shipping. The landscape for returns has changed and varies depending on where you are.
I grew up in Asia. In Asia, we never had returns, guys. We learned to grow up with the things that we got. Only when I moved to the States, I was like, I can return stuff?
You sure can. But policies vary so much, it's crucial to read the fine print on everything.
Let's chat about gift cards, too, for a quick second. Professor Karon says there is no shortage of gift card scams going around. So if you're going to get one, make sure you get it from a reputable company. You can get one kind of close to the checkout line, those kiosks that spin. But if you do that, make sure you look at the packaging and make sure that it has not been tampered with. Live in Kearney Mesa, Shondell Moniz, NBC 7.
All right, appreciate the tip, Shondell. Thank you.